natural skincare. Welcome to our guide on naturally caring for your skin. In a world filled with various skincare options, sometimes the best solutions can be found in nature itself. Let's explore how you can nurture your skin naturally, promoting a healthy and radiant glow. Healthy lifestyle. Healthy skin starts from within. Ensure your diet includes a rainbow of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. A balanced diet nourishes your skin from the inside out, providing essential vitamins and antioxidants. Gentle cleansing. Cleanse your skin with a gentle, natural cleanser suitable for your skin type. This helps remove impurities without stripping away its natural oils, keeping it fresh and clean. Hydration. Moisturize daily using natural products such as aloe vera gel, coconut oil, or shea butter. These ingredients help maintain your skin's moisture barrier, keeping it supple and hydrated. Sun protection. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays by applying natural sunscreen daily. Look for products with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide for effective protection without harsh chemicals. Mind-body balance. Reduce stress through activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Stress can affect your skin's health, so taking time to relax and unwind is crucial for a radiant complexion. Consistency and care. Consistency is key in natural skincare. Establish a routine that works for you and stick to it. Be patient. Natural remedies often take time to show results, but can be incredibly rewarding for your skin in the long run. Embrace natural skincare practices as part of your self-care routine. By adopting these natural methods, you not only care for your skin, but also respect and appreciate the beauty of nature's offerings. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards naturally nurturing your skin. Here's to healthy, radiant, and naturally beautiful skin.